a chance you take, a chance you win. If someone gonna find you, first you got to love them, and 'cause love begins with one hello. The hardest part is over, now it's easy letting go. One hello is how it's done. You might win it all or lose your heart. If you're not afraid of what you feel, then try and keep it simple, but try and keep it real. And if being real is just just say goodbye. Remember my friends, goodbye is not the end. It's a say how you know, and it starts with one hello. Pinimilyon in the house. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa support ha, sa live ni host.